Hello! For today's video, we'll try to make this pattern, zigzag columns crochet stitch. Ito yung magiging hitsura niya pag nagawa natin to. So, okay? This is it. So, tingnan natin. Ito yung pattern. Nakuha ko kaya. Yan, zigzag columns crochet stitch. At saka ito yung ginawa ko. So, ito yung result niya. So, tandaan natin na yung sa foundation chain, it should be multiple of 10 plus 3 and plus 1. Tatlong stitches na naman yung gagamitin natin for this design. Single crochet, double crochet, at syempre yung chain. Okay? That's it.